Jag heter Darin.
Okej.
Ja.
Cool style.
Can this be true? Tell me, can this be real? How can I put into words what I feel? You can take my breath away.
'Cause you're not for me, no. Mama knows best when times get hard.
He's my baby and he lives next door. Every morning before the sun comes up, he brings me coffee in my favorite cup. You got me begging you for mercy. Why won't you at least pay?
I'll get it if you need it. I'll search if you can't see it.
And it pains me so much that I can breathe. But I guess that's what I prefer.
Oh shit.
I guess that it was legal for you.
Åh, fy fan, jag ryser i hela armarna. Du, fan, hade jag varit 18 år skulle jag aldrig göra slut med dig.
Titta. Jag sitter och gåshud.
Jag ryser på mina ben.
Cause baby I tell ya, my heart is freaking out when I held ya.
Djupaste havliga sol.
Daniel! Agnes!
Marcus!
Marie Picasso!
There's nowhere where I'm coming from. I don't wanna be anything other than what I've been trying to be lately.
In the midnight hour, I can feel your power. Just like a prayer, I wanna take you there.
Oh, honey, I know times are changing.
It's the life of
Will you let it come alive? See the breeze of it,
You don't have to save me, just need you to follow. Cause we made it on this way.